Right, so from the blue, I think these ones are like the other ones we did in the other video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do this simple one, and then you can do this one. Then I'll do this one. Then you can do this one. I think you've done all of them, isn't it? So, then I'll do one of these. I'll do one of these and one of these. Yeah. So I'll do 4, isn't it? Remember, I'm going to do a lot. So let's go for it. I said I'll do 60. 60 is equals to what? Is equals to 14 plus 10. So what has happened now here? We now have, we had a term and a number. Now we have a term equals to a term plus a number. They're playing with us. So what am I going to do? We are now super fast. We know that this 40 is cancelled. Null, 0. You remember when we give you -2, we say, what is the additive inverse? This is what we talk about. So the additive inverse of this is -40. Then we add it here. When we add it here, it becomes a 0. So I'm only left with a 10. I subtract these 2, I get a 2t is equals to what? 10. Then I have a t is equals to 5. Done. Done and dusted. No need to do those dances. No, those dances. I don't know what they're called. Yeah, but I know some guy. Spokodicious. Yeah, something like that. Saw that dance there. Too fast. Okay, remember, let's do the other. Which other one? I said I'm going to do how many this side? 2, ne? Right, so I'm going to do this one. Second last one. So in the second last one, what do we have? We have a, we have a 2. Did I say I'm going to do, I've already started. Let me take it. Let me leave it. I was going to do the 5m, but let me do this one. So I have a 2x plus what? Plus 8, isn't it? Equals to what? Equals to 7x minus 2. What do they want me to do? They want me to bring all my variable terms one side, then all my numbers on the other side. You see what I've done? We now know in our eye of the what? You remember, the eye of the mind. Okay, so in my mind, I know what I've done here. Okay, so I don't need to do those long processes. So all my terms, my variable terms are leading. They are on the left, and then these ones are there. Then I can say x is equals to 1. X is equals to 2. You are sharp like that when you are able to do this. Okay. So what did I do here? I didn't say -5 over 5 because it becomes a 1 and then it goes there. I didn't say -10 over 5 because remember, it's both negatives. Okay. Negative, positive. That's why I have a sign that is invisible positive there. The 5 goes there twice. What did I do? Anything divided by itself so that it becomes 1 is what? It's that -5. -5 over -5. So I have x is equals to 2. Okay. Is it difficult? No, not difficult. The difficulty is doing what? Is to take those biological things inside our trousers and in our jeans and skirts and put it on the desk. or not on the desk, on the chair, and then sit down and do this. You see, these things that when I do them, they don't take more than 10 minutes, more than 30 minutes. So if you do just a few every day, 5-10 minutes, you'll be fine. Look at that. Even when I talk, I'm like, what? Still under 10 minutes. And I'm talking too much. Talkative say. So which one did I say I'm going to do? Okay, let me do... okay, I will do this one because it involves a negative. So that one, it's going to be easy because you're distributing what? The 3 only. It doesn't affect the sign. But what about here? Okay, so I'm going to do -4 and what? And 1 minus 2x is equals to what? It is equals to 3. This is the question right at the end. You know, when you have question 2, you have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Yeah, this one, it's like 2.4 right at the end. It's for the kings like me and you. Math so easy, kings. So what do I do? Distribute. -4 by 1 is what? It's 4. Distribute. I have an 8 there. I don't have an x, so that x doesn't get affected. It remains itself. Okay, the same. Now, what happens now? I am multiplying by a negative as well. I'm not multiplying by the number only. The numbers give me the 4, but I must do something about the sign. That's why I have a negative there. The numbers give me an 8. What about the sign when they multiply? Easy peasy like that. Here, I don't have a sign there. I only have a positive. So here we just ignore. We just pretend there's no sign. So we just do the calculation. That is a 6. And then I have a negative 3x. Then I have this. So what has happened now? I can put this in my head and say what? And say it's a 7x. So what have I done now? I have collected... I say it's doing something. You see, it's too excited. So I have a 7 there. Then this 3x must do what? Must join this 8x. And then this number must join this number. It's negative, it becomes positive. It's negative, it becomes positive 3x. Then my 8x. I don't need to show that plus. Okay. So have I done everything? I think I have. If I haven't, I'll check just now. Then what do I have? Look at what happens. Sometimes you just see the numbers to see that no, there is something that is good that I'm doing. If I have a 11 and 11, it means I don't think I did a wrong thing. Because the numbers, they connect. If I had a 22, this side, they would connect because I would know that 11 goes into 22. How many times? 33. What do you know those things? We call them what? I'm not telling you. Right, remember, I think here the examiners will want to see what? Can you distribute? And at the same time, do not forget. So maybe they'll give 1 mark here and 1 mark there. And many learners will not get this one because they'll do a mess up there. Then the next thing, what do? They check, are you able to collect your like terms? Other learners will do what? They will bring this thing this side. You see, let me show you what will happen. Other learners do this. They say 8x minus 3x. Incorrect. Then they say 6 minus 4. So they just bring everything as it is. Don't do that, because what's going to happen now? Let me show you what's going to happen. You're going to have a 5x this side. And then this side you're going to have a what? This is a 2 plus 1 is what? 3. You see. Then you see there's something wrong. All right. Something wrong. It happens, but not in grade 8 and 9. We try not to make you dizzy. Then in grade 10 going up, we start to prepare you to drive your Mercedes. Yeah, those who don't want to drive Mercedes will run away and go to Maths Lit. So remember, I think we are fine. If you can try to master this, you'll be sharp like that. Yeah, all they do is they do too many things. All right, they do too many things at once. In question 1, they will give you only this thing in question 1. Without all these numbers, they say simplify or find the product of. This is the answer that you will have. So once you know how to distribute, they do this now. They make an equation where you first have to distribute and rebalance your equation. All those things. So all these things are meant to train you to see how you play around in your mind. Okay, so I'll be looking forward to see how you did with your solutions. Then I will give you feedback when we have our one-on-one. Thank you very much, member. Let's meet again. I think we have input, output somewhere in there that we need to do. Take care.